I want to show you how to use Go Noodle at home. So when you're in Schoology, you are going to go up here and click Courses. Now you know you only use the courses that have my picture on them. So second grade, you're only using the homeroom and then the 3 specials. Third grade, you know you're adding language arts, math, and science. Okay, so to get to Go Noodle, you're clicking Physical Education. That's your PE class. And then you'll see a link for Go Noodle. Down here, I just put a little discussion, so if you do a cool Go Noodle that you really liked, or maybe one that you didn't like, you can actually post about it and talk about it with your classmates. But here's the link for Go Noodle. Okay. So up here, you're going to click Get Started Now. You'll click where it says Families, Play Now. Then you have access to all of these Go Noodles, and it looks like they added some new ones this school year, so that's pretty exciting. But there's all kinds here. There's your channels, and I know a lot of you know how to use this from school. So you can choose any channel, and then the videos are up here. And you can do as many as you want. Now, if you do one that you really want to chat about, click Let's Talk About Go Noodle. And there's a space for you to talk about the Go Noodles that you did this week. That's it. Have fun. Stay active.